Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is, how do you fast for so long? A lot of my friends are like, hey yes, holy shiitake mushrooms. How do you fast for so long? How did you do 21 days? How did you possibly not eat for 3 whole weeks? And I told them it's all about practice. Practice makes perfect for everything, whether it's playing piano or learning how to cook or fasting, everything takes practice, right? Here's the trick. Shh. The trick is, do people drum roll? Ease yourself into it. If you're new to fasting and you've never fasted before, don't set a goal of, hey, I'm gonna do 21 days cold turkey and fast for the rest of my life. Don't do that. Start out with intermittent fasting. So let's say that you're new to fasting, you just watched my video, you got inspired. Thank you so much. In order to ease yourself gradually into fasting, the first thing that I would recommend is that if you've never fasted before, you try out intermittent fasting. So that means if you're used to eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner, let's just say stop snacking and quit breakfast. So just do lunch and dinner, that's it. And that'll kind of be your intermittent fasting window for the beginning. Then when you get comfortable with that and you're comfortable with not eating breakfast, then cut your lunch out. So do 1 meal a day intermittent fasting. I'm a huge advocate for 1 meal a day intermittent fasting. There are so many people losing so much weight on 1 meal a day intermittent fasting. So basically, you don't have snacks, you don't have breakfast, you don't have lunch, you only have dinner every single day. Your whole allotted calories, your total daily recommended allowance of calories, whatever that acronym is, I forgot right now, that is all eaten in your 1 hour window of dinner. So whatever you have to eat, eat it at dinner. Then, when you get comfortable with 1 meal a day, so 1 meal a day, there's different versions of it, but essentially you're fasting for 23 hours and you're eating for 1 hour. So that's your window for the OMAD. Okay, nice. I'm sorry, it just got really sunny, I can't see anything. But yeah, so fasting for 23 hours, eating for 1 hour. So all your calories, everything you're supposed to eat in a day, it's condensed into that 1 hour period. So that means no snacking, no breakfast, no lunch, nothing else, no spiking insulin, no cream in your coffee in the morning, nothing like that. No food until dinner time. And then when you get comfortable with OMAD or 1 meal a day, then you can start throwing in a couple super cool fasts. Then you go to the next step. So you could try throwing in a 2-day fast. So that's a 48-hour fast. And then once you feel comfortable with your 48-hour fast, you try throwing in a 3-day fast. Get it? It's easy, right? Euphoria. Hashtag euphoria still going strong. What is this? Then when you get comfortable with your 72-day, oh my God, not 72 days, 72 hours. When you get comfortable with your 72-hour fast, you move on to the next one. So you try 5 days, then you try 7 days, then you try 10 days, then you try 14 days, then you try 21 days, and then you fast for the rest of your life. No, I'm just kidding. You have to refeed in a disciplined way. One thing that you need to keep in mind, there's so many people in our Fast Forward to Health accountability group right now. They think they're quitters because they don't go as long as everyone else. A 24-hour fast for a beginner is incredible. A 2-day fast for a beginner is incredible. A 3-day fast is incredible. A 5-day fast is incredible. A 7-day fast, a 10-day fast, a 14-day fast, a 21-day fast, everything is incredible. You do not have to compete with anybody. You compete with yourself. Beat your own personal record. That's it. Compete with yourself. If last time you did 24 hours, this time try 36 hours. Next time try 48 hours. Next time try 72 hours. So keep going like that. You're only competing with yourself. So it's practice, 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 practice. They say practice makes perfect, right? I think I'm getting weirder and weirder. Is that possible? Is that my hashtag euphoria from fasting? Anyway, I'm weird. I've always been weird. It's just coming out in public now, which is not a good thing, is it? So all in all, my advice to anybody who's new to fasting, who wants to try it out, just start with intermittent fasting. So step 1, skip your breakfast and skip your snacks. Just do lunch and dinner. Step 2, skip your breakfast, skip your lunch, no snacks, just do dinner. Step 3, try a 48-hour fast. Step 4, try a 72-hour fast. Then if you feel comfortable, keep going. Also remember, I only had done 2 and 3-day fasts, but then I told myself, okay, I'm gonna try 5 days. And when I got to 5 days, because your hunger is gone and you become sort of like in this autopilot mode where you just start cruising. After 5 days, it gets easier. Actually, day 5 to 14 is a lot easier than day 1, day 2, and day 3. So keep that in mind. If you want to try, aim for 5 days, and then when you get to 5 days, if you feel good, extend. This is extending. For today, I'm gonna make a super quick little video because I wanna go make a cooking video and I need to cook for my boyfriend, and I'm currently on day 7 of my fast, so I'll keep you guys updated. I'm really feeling the hand motions today. Abracadabra. Once again, if you're not part of the Fast Forward to Health accountability group on Facebook, the link is here below, facebook.com/groups/fastforwardtohealth. You can come join our community. We talk about fasting every single day. We have a group chat and we have support and we have refeed links and we have YouTube links and we have an email campaign. If you don't have Facebook and you want to get those emails about the recipes, the motivation, the supplements, the videos, everything like that, then just shoot me an email at fastforwardtohealth@gmail.com and I'll add you to the email list. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. I am not a health professional. I am not a doctor. If you're going to start any sort of fasting plan, make sure to check with your doctor first. I have no health certifications whatsoever. I'm not a professional, so check with your doctor. Check with your doctor. Okay, so I hope you like this super short video. Hopefully it's short when I edit it. If you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that little ding-a-ling bell to make sure that you get the notifications, and then you'll get all my videos as I post them. Side note, I want to be able to talk about food on my channel and put recipes on my channel without people being triggered. Of course, yes, this is a fasting accountability group, but at the same time, it's important for us to build that good relationship with food. So I don't want people to be triggered by food posts. That's the point where you build that mental resilience to the point that having food posts everywhere shouldn't even bother you. So I'm gonna start posting a couple healthy recipes here and there on my channel. So please do not be triggered and build that mental resilience so you won't feel triggered, okay? For those of you who are still fasting, keep it up. You got this. I'm currently on day 7 and I'm extending my fast to 10 days and I might even extend to 14 days because I'm 158.9 and in order to be normal BMI, I need to get down to 154. So if I can get down to 154 in this fast, I will be a very happy girl. And then I'll do a refeed and then eventually I want to get down to 135. So if you want to see those videos, I'm going to post that transformation soon as well. Again, hit the little subscribe button, hit the little bell button, and I'll see you guys next time. Happy fasting!